Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing Apple's latest release, the Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro is Apple's latest headset and features many VR and AR experiences. Released at WWDC, the Vision Pro packs a ton of technology and features with many advantages, but also many downsides. So let's get started and see what the Apple Vision Pro truly brings to the table. So, the Apple Vision Pro brings some incredible features with some revolutionary changes. From Optic ID, which lets you securely unlock the Apple Vision headset using only your eyes. This allows for a clean experience by just allowing you to use the headset whenever you like. And considering how great Face ID is, I would expect Optic ID to run as quick as well. In addition to this, Apple has truly added to the whole experience by allowing you to control the headset using only your hands. This is a clear contrast from other headsets on the market and really allows for a natural experience. Now the Apple Vision Pro runs with two chips, the R1 chip and the M2 chip. This allows for great image processing, allowing you to control the headset seamlessly with no disruption. Now, the Apple Vision Pro allows you to do many things, from playing games to watching movies to using it for productivity. It really does bring several features which you may not expect to see on VR headsets. With built-in spatial audio, the Apple Vision Pro allows you to get crisp audio when watching movies or using it to talk to someone on FaceTime, while also featuring micro OLED displays to ensure that the Apple Vision Pro feels as real as reality, as well as allowing for a cinematic experience when watching movies. This really is a great addition, as you no longer would need to buy a television or a computer to run movies or apps or games. The Apple Vision Pro does it all, and that is where it really shines. Now for productivity. The Apple Vision Pro is great for productivity, allowing you to open multiple apps at once and run with several displays which otherwise would be very expensive, working seamlessly with just your hand gestures. And so while the price of £3,000 may seem a lot, considering what the Apple Vision Pro offers, it may be worth it. Now, these are some great additions to the Apple Vision Pro. However, this is just not it. While it packs some incredible technology, the Apple Vision Pro still has several problems. Well, first is the price itself. £3,000 is just not affordable to spend on a headset. While the Apple Vision Pro has so much technology packed into it, the $3,000 price doesn't seem justifiable to many people who may want to consider buying the headset, especially for a new product category. Next is that it's US only. For a long amount of time, the Apple Vision Pro will only be limited to the US. This really does cause problems, as many people may forget about the Vision Pro when it releases worldwide. Now for the next problem, and this is where things get a little crazy. Apple has released features such as EyeSight and 3D videos. While these technologies seem amazing in the Apple Vision Pro, they do cause some concerns from a user standpoint. EyeSight on the Apple Vision Pro allows you to communicate with other people while allowing for a natural experience by projecting your eyes on the outer screen of the Apple Vision headset. However, this has caused some weird looking eyes which most people do not prefer. In addition to this, VR FaceTime allows you to have a 3D model of yourself projected while you're talking to someone. However, most people argue that this deviates from the point of FaceTime, as you're not truly able to see the person's face in real life. I still don't understand how putting eyes on the headset make it feel natural. The headset is still so massive on a person's face, and while it is simpler than other headsets out there, it still just isn't simple enough to be used for the features that Apple has advertised it for. Now for one of the craziest features of the Apple Vision headset, 3D videos. 3D videos allow you to take a video in 3D which you can watch back on the headset. This seems like an incredible technology and is not being done anywhere else. But there are problems with this too. To take a 3D video, someone is required to wear the headset, which was seen as at Apple's event. However, this just doesn't seem logical because who's going to wear a headset during a special moment which you would want to capture? A phone is just a much easier option. Personally, I feel like Apple tried to do something with this 3D video where the technology just wasn't available. Now, for some more disappointment, the Apple Vision Pro has 2-hour battery life using an external battery pack, which isn't enough to watch a full movie or complete most productivity tasks. And so this really does deviate away from the Apple Vision Pro's aim in providing an immersive experience or a productivity tool, and seems more like a hassle to have to charge it to use it. While the Apple Reality Pro does work full time while plugged in, using it plugged in just doesn't really allow for flexibility, which kind of ruins the point of having the headset in the first place. So as you can see, the Apple Vision Pro brings a ton of technology to the table. However, I just feel like it's not worth the price, as well as not truly something people really needed in their life. The Apple Vision Pro could make a lot more sense in the form of some Apple Vision glasses or something else in the future. But right now, I just feel like Apple pushed too far for some technology that wasn't really there. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Remember to subscribe, like, and share the video. See you next time.